Hello students, welcome in our session 2. We have started our chapter 1 of this new academic year, that is matters in our surrounding. Yesterday we have learned about what is matter. I hope you understood what is matter. So matter is anything that occupies a space, that has a mass and which can feel by our 5 senses. That anything that is called as matter. So look at this beaker, yeah, it occupies some space on this desk. So it is also a matter. So matter means anything that occupies a space. So in this chapter you have an activity, that is activity 1.1. In that we have to perform this text. We have to take 100 ml of beaker. We have to fill that beaker with the marked level which is there on the beaker. We have to fill it with water. We have to take salt. We have to add it and then we have to stir it with the help of glass rod. We have to observe any water level, change in the water level. Then you have to tell me what happened in this activity. So shall I start with the activity? Okay, just look at here. Now here I have taken here 100 ml of beaker. Look at here, I am just adding water into this beaker at the marked level, which is 75 ml water I have added over here. Just look at here, I am just adding 1 spoonful of salt into this beaker. And I am just dissolving this salt into this water with the help of glass rod. This is a daily example. Yes, we know that when we add or when we have added salt into a water, salt particle completely dissolves into a water and it will form a salt solution. Okay? So, look at here. Have you seen any kind of okay? So, tell me, is there any change in the mark or any change in the water level? Yes, look at 75 is still 75, so there is no any change in the water level. So tell me your observation, is there any salt particle have you seen in the beaker? Yes, tell me no. So what happened? Because we have added water, in that we have added the salt into it. So water is also one of matter. It has made with the small particle. Yes, we have seen in the yesterday session that the matter has made with the tiny particles. Okay. So yes, so I am repeating. Yesterday's session we have learned that matter is made with the small tiny particles. Okay, water is also a matter, so that matter also contains a small water particles. Yes, particles have a space in between. Yes, because they are moving continuously, they have a space in between. We have studied physical nature of matter. Okay, so when we have added a salt into a water, the water particles, they have a space in between. When we have added NaCl into water solution, the space which is there in between two water particles, that occupies by the salt particle. Okay, and that's why particles of salt get into the space between the particles of water. And hence we have observed the salt completely dissolves in a water. Okay, so your observation is that salt completely dissolves in water particles of water. Okay, so I hope you have understood this activity, the conclusion and the observation of this activity. Okay, so matter has a space means anything. What is matter? Anything that occupies a space, okay, that has some mass and that can fill by our five senses, that is called as matter. So thank you so much for observing this session. Thank you.